Everything we see on the internet is a result of someone's digital marketing efforts. And every second we spend on the internet influences someone's digital image. Digital marketing is a vast subject which deals with almost every effort made for displaying the right content to the right audience through internet. Application of digital marketing starts from a basic level, which can be further expanded to unbounded levels and dimensions depending upon how far we are willing to take it. For example, if you want to sell something, just by writing and sharing about it at our personal social media profile, we have actually done some digital marketing. We will receive its responses depending upon various factors, where a basic level of achievement is the number of views it gets. However, for doing the same activity in a professional way, we have to use a systematic approach while understanding and paying attention to the important elements of digital marketing. The ease of content delivery surrounds us with redundancy of content and a great deal of competition. In order to stand out in such competition, we have to be very effective in terms of actions we take and the impact we create. We need to understand how our actions are linked with various types of results and what needs to be done in order to make those results desirable. Despite the fact that digital marketing stays in a constant phase of evolution, its basic concepts always remain the same. Which is why understanding the basic concepts of digital marketing makes it simple to understand the process as well as the various methodologies involved in digital marketing. Digital marketing is divided into three major categories: planning, execution, evolution. All three of these linked well together makes an ideal digital marketing campaign. Attention to be given to those areas depends upon the scenario that we are dealing with. But none of these can be completely ignored if we really want to make good progress. It has been observed in many cases that people mostly focus on the activities involved in the execution part of digital marketing. But planning and evolution are those silent factors that make executional efforts successful. Steps involved in each of these areas will be explained in our next videos, along with the different practices for performing them.